Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to take long screenshot on your Microsoft Edge browser. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to take long screenshot of your Microsoft Edge browser, then I will show you simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to open your Microsoft Edge browser. So search for anything. I will search as YouTube. Then hit enter. I will open this YouTube Wikipedia page. Suppose if you want to take this full page screenshot, you just need to press Ctrl Shift and S. You can see if you want to select custom area for this screenshot, you can select this first option, capture area. If you want full page, just click on this capture full page. I will select as capture full page. If the page is too long, then it will take some time to load. After that, you can see the pencil mark. If you want to highlight anything, suppose I will highlight this YouTube like this, you can just highlight it like this. Or if you want to erase, you can erase this from here. If you want to share this, you can just click on this share. If you want to share anything by Microsoft Teams or any other apps, you can just select from here. If you want to just copy, just click on copy. Or if you want to save this, you can just click on save and you can save it wherever you want. That's it guys. So in this way you can take long screenshot on your Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.